another Will It Mix video. We're going to do our white base and our clear, clear base slime. Today, what are we mixing today?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. And you got what, purple?
I got purple.
And I got green. So we're going to check this out and we're going to see if it mixes. We've done like the super cloud Play-Doh, which I think the last time we did that, I didn't realize it was kind of technically its own slime. But we were thinking it was going to make like a clay slime. It didn't. Like it was, yeah. So, we will...
Am I weird? I like the smell of Play-Doh.
Alright, hold on. Let me just smell it with you so we can be weird together.
I like the smell of Play-Doh.
Let me. Interesting. Interesting. Clear is looking really good, isn't it?
Yeah. Looks like a teardrop.
I was like, I'm really happy how the clear is starting to come out. Alright, so I'm mixing this whole thing in. I'm doing it, but I'm going to break mine up just a little bit.
I'm dropping mine on the floor.
That's lost. Like, you just gotta let that go. Alright, so. Let me see. Oh, this is still a little overactivated. But.
It looks kind of cool inside of the...
It does look cool.
Inside of the clear.
This is actually mixing a lot better than the Super Cloud Play-Doh that we got. That's so strange. Huh. I think this white base still needs to sit for a couple more days because it's...
Should I put the rest of the Play-Doh in there?
I would. Why not? I kind of like that color though.
It's purple.
What does it feel like? Oh, it made it sticky.
Did it?
Yes. It's sticky now. It's sticky now.
Well, this one was sticky before I started, so not like super sticky, but...
Yeah, that clear is always sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. This is like...
It's definitely not clear
Look,
enough.
look, it's like sticking to
The table.
the table.
It's not clear anymore, that's for sure.
No. Alright. So maybe...
I have a feeling if I put this one on the table, it'll stick too. Because it's starting to stick to my hands. Look at this.
Yeah. I wonder if we threw some activator in it, what it would do. Let me get some activator. I'm thinking that's activator. It was in the... I'll be honest. It could just be water. And the thing, I'm assuming it is.
It was sticking to the table.
I'll try to get it off the table. I can't. It's not coming off the table. Probably just water you're squirting in there. Probably no activator in that bottle. What do you think? It definitely mixed better than the Super Cloud Play-Doh.
Yeah.
I think if we activated it...
It definitely made it stickier.
It definitely made it stickier. I think if we activate it, it'd be pretty cool, but... I mean, get some color.
Yeah.
I wonder...
Great color.
What it would look like based on that, but... There you go. So... Regular Play-Doh. Will it mix? Yes, it will mix. I would highly suggest getting some activator, potentially, because it is going to make whatever slime you put this in very sticky. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It was... Alright, Thank you guys. We always appreciate it. We hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.